Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting a form right now, so open Google Forms on your phone and sign in. Once done, tap the plus or blank template to begin. Name the form so responders know its purpose, and add a one-sentence description explaining why you're collecting answers. Make sure the form saves to the right Drive folder. This prevents lost work later. Now add your first question immediately. Don't wait. Pick question type and enter the text to keep momentum going. Next, focus on crafting the questions and the structure. Start by adding each question and selecting its type: multiple choice for single answers, short answer for brief text, paragraph for long responses. Use the required switch for mandatory fields and add sections when you need separate pages. For advanced flow, set go to section based on answer so respondents follow the right path. Also apply validation rules and attach images or video when a visual helps clarify the question. Finish by polishing appearance and verifying behavior. Tap Theme to pick colors and fonts, then hit Preview and submit a test response to check logic and required fields. Make corrections if questions jump incorrectly. Open settings to collect emails, limit to one response, and enable confirmation messages. When ready, use Send to copy a link, email respondents, embed HTML, or create a QR code. If something breaks,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.